Guys, I have to kneel because of
you have to kneel down. Yeah, you have to kneel because the finger millet has fallen down. Guys, this upcoming, enjoy the video. It's interesting. Reflection of the sun. The video is going to be awesome. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ngiracha. If you are new here, thank you for coming. Yeah, I really appreciate for always come to watch my video. I can't take it for granted. Yeah, may God continue blessing you guys more and more. It's already today's on 30th, almost one day to enter the new year. I wish you a happy new year in advance. I know everyone who's watching this video is going to see the new year 2024. May the year be you prosper. May your wishes become true. The wishes you have given for the new year. I know all of those people who are going to watch this video, they are going to see the new year. Yeah, and I pray for those all my fans to see the new year. We start a new afresh. Yeah, we continue, guys. So I really appreciate you guys for always come to watching Ngiracha. I'm so happy, guys. Yeah, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly urge you subscribe to Ngiracha, watch, like the video, share. You can share to your friends. Yeah, so guys, currently I'm at the village and soon I'm going back to school. Yeah, for those people who know, I'm doing medicine. I'm at medical school at Nairobi City, and soon I'm going back to school on the 8th. The date is on reporting day. Sorry guys, sorry. I have a flu yesterday, but I'm feeling good right now. So guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and wherever you're watching this video from, depending your time. Here in East Africa, Kenya, Bohanse village, it's morning. And today guys, video is going to be special as we're going to enter the new year. We're going to do special video here. I hope you're going to really to enjoy this video. You are going to have fun of this video. Most of people who are in Europe, in cities, they never seen this being done. This is a special agenda. You are going to enjoy this video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Give a video a like. Just sit, relax, and enjoy, guys. You just see the beautiful village, the way it is, very green everywhere. Yeah, so guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this video for today. Over here, I have a knife. This knife is going to do. It's not going to kill someone, sorry, but it's going to do some task. I hope many people of you have never seen this task I'm going to do, but I hope you're really going to enjoy this vlog. Come along with me. I want to show you a special video you have never seen. Maybe you've ever seen it once or twice, but today it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Welcome on, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. My name is Ngiracha for the new people. Yeah, I'm a content creator. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy the video. You can see guys the beautiful village. Over there is corn or maize, wherever you want to name it. Yeah, so come along with me, guys. You will go and enjoy the video. And over here we have an avocado tree, the one you are seeing there. We have another one there. You see that one is an avocado tree, and this side also an avocado tree. Over there we have like 4 of them, avocado tree. If you want avocado in Nairobi, you are aware, you can make booking. You can see on my Instagram page. You can follow me on my Instagram page at Ngiracha. Yeah, I want to deliver into you. Just make a booking. Avocado is over here, many of them. So enjoy, come along with me, guys. Enjoy the video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. Don't skip the ads. Yeah, today's video is interesting. As we always come from live from village, we show you guys what's happening in the village. Yeah, maybe most of people don't have that opportunity maybe to reach all I left the village, to stay in village. But for us who are here, we have the opportunity, guys, to show you what's happening. And also remember to to keep supporting us, guys. Even if I'll be going to school, don't say that Ngrach is in school, I'm not going to watch his video. Just watch. I'll show you what's happening in my school. Yeah, my school, what's happening in my school, what's going on. Maybe sometimes not only in my school, but I do show village, city, not really city, but interesting places wherever I visit, wherever I'm free. Yeah, Michelle, kuja. Yeah, I'm calling my small sister Michelle, for those who know her. So today is going to be camera woman. Yeah, as I'm going to do the task, and I really hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. Yeah, see the way the village is beautiful, guys. Just see. You can't see city life like this. Yeah, over there everything. Could you introduce the video? Michelle, Michelle, niko nayo. Yeah, just see from there, trees. Over there we have some banana, matoke. In they call it matoke in in most places. Come introduce your name, Michelle. Yeah, today Michelle is going to be camera man. Michelle.
Hi, my name is Michelle.
Yeah.
Please support Ngiracha,
Yeah.
subscribe, and don't
forget to like the video.
Yes.
Yeah, actually Michelle is really improving on her English, guys. She's just as small. You know, in village, guys, until you go to high school or university, that's how you know how to speak good English, because English is not our native language. Our native language is just local language, or Swahili, for those who know Swahili. Yeah, we just but right now Michelle is really improving on her English, and maybe I know she'll be opening a YouTube channel. Yeah, I know, that's the thing. I know she'll be opening a YouTube channel, right, Michelle?
Yes.
Yeah. So Michelle is going to be a camera woman today, and you guys, I hope you're really going to enjoy the video. Michelle, what can you say before you take the camera?
I say I love you.
Huh?
And thank you for
watching.
Yes, for watching, and thank you for everything you do for my brother. For support her. May God bless you and bless my band.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much. That small speech from Michelle. Come along with us. You wanna enjoy the video? Today's video is going to be awesome. So guys, as you know, it's harvesting season. Yeah. Right there, it's my father is harvesting wheat. I know you guys will never seen how wheat is being harvested. We use knife, but in past they were using my father have the kind of knife. This one is just modern knife, but he's going to try and harvest it. Sorry guys, I told you I have a flu. I told you guys I have a flu, but it's going to be end because new is coming. I'll be fine. Yeah. So come along with us, guys. We show you how wheat is being harvested. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry guys, it's not wheat. It's not wheat, it's finger millet. You see over here? Unajua kupiga picha mimi. Ukiwa hapo.
Snap nothing.
Hapa sawa. That so guys, this finger millet, sorry for nani that
it's very nice for porridge.
Very nice for porridge. Got it. Yeah guys, it's very nice for porridge. This finger millet, very nice for porridge. So you see this knife, this one is the one used most popular, used for harvesting finger millet. And you see my father has already harvested. Yeah, you can introduce your name.
I'm Christine Yamani,
Yeah.
father to Gracha.
Yes.
Of course. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, you see, already have harvested this. So we're going to take a sack. We put inside. Yeah. So guys, I'm harvesting, and right here we have corn. We just we had to put a small shamba for finger millet, but mostly we do plant maize corn. So we love this porridge. You know, finger millet produce a good porridge. You see, this is how we do it, guys. You cut with the knife, but the other knife I've shown you is good for harvesting. Very good, because you just do this way. Because when you use this one doing it, you can cut yourself. Yeah, so you must. And the funny thing about the finger millet, guys, they usually, when rain comes, all of them,
Down.
yeah, they fall down. So that's why you can see I'm leaning so that I can find them so that I can cut them. Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. I'm really happy. Yeah, so my father want to go and exchange this one so that he can bring the bucket, because the bucket is almost full. You see, come show them. The bucket is full.
Full.
Yeah, the bucket is full. Just see. The bucket is full. This is my father. The bucket is full. It's full. Yeah.
Let me exchange and bring another.
Yeah, he's going to exchange and bring another bucket so that we can we can continue harvesting. Yes. So just come show them how the finger millet has fallen down. This one. You see? So I'm doing this, guys. Some of them are not yet dry, but they are going to dry on sun. Yeah. Because it's harvesting season, the sun will be more starting January. And we have left with 1 day to January 2024. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I hope you're really enjoying this video, because I know most people have never seen how finger millet is being harvested. I hope you're really enjoying the video. Make sure you give a video a like, and if you are watching for the first time, you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly I urge you guys to subscribe. Be receiving exclusive video, village life, city life, because I know when I'll be finishing my school, maybe I'll be traveling, guys. Yeah, maybe I'll be traveling to cure people from different places. That's my dream. I'll be traveling. I want to be a traveler to cure people different places. And some days, inshallah, maybe, I believe maybe one day I have a dream to put a big hospital in our village. Yeah, when I finish, I have that dream, so that people can access the medical service at least very fast. You know, here in our village, you must travel for a distance before you access the medical services. So that's my dream, guys. That some days, make sure no, that some days I'll have that dream. I'm having that dream, and I believe I'll make it. One day I'll put a big hospital in our village, Nyabuhanse village. Yeah, so that people can access the services, treatment services. Yeah, so guys, this is how we do. You see? Just see. Yeah, this is how we do it, guys. Harvesting finger millet. Sorry, you know, this finger millet really challenged me with wheat is for making flour, chapati flour, tacos, all the mandazi. But finger millet is special for porridge, and it's very sweet. I hope you guys, when you see Maro on Instagram page, usually post the porridge made of finger millet and putting honey inside. If you have not followed Maro on Instagram, it's just a Maro. You can go follow him, and you see the content. Yeah. And also you can follow me on Instagram at Ngiraj. All my social media is just Ngiraj. Yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Make sure you don't skip the ads. Enjoy. Show them how, you know, guys, here in village you eat all range chicken. Just show them how they usually eat. Koroki chingoko. Yeah, that's how range chicken usually eat. They look for themselves food. No than, yeah, that's the free range chicken. They look for themselves food, but the other one, the broiler, is it broiler or boilers? You must take care of them, and they are not healthy because sometimes they are being given boosters so to make them grow very fast. But for the free range chicken, they are just natural. They grow natural. They look for themselves. Yeah. You see, guys, this is how we harvest them. So I'm waiting for the bucket, my father to bring the bucket so I can put inside. And there are so many down here, guys. I must be very technical. You can show them all of this. They are finger mirrors, but they have dried down because of rain. Show them from here. Here, they have dried down because of the rain. Yeah, so we must do it very, very slowly so that you can't left anything. Yeah, you can't left anything. Unapiga picha bado?
Nipige.
Unaweza kuna piga. Yeah, you see, guys. So I'm trying to take it slowly so that I can make sure I have taken all of them. Actually, guys, this year has been good to me. This year I've opened my YouTube channel. I've already monetized. This year I've joined my school, my medical school. I can say that this year is my year. I can't complain. I really thank God for this year. It has been a good year to me, and I hope 2024 will be the same. I have made a small, they say that always appreciate small achievement. Always appreciate a small achievement. For me, I'm really humble for this. Guys, entering in school, having a YouTube channel well monetized. I have met many friends from all over the world. Comparing the other year, this year I've really made achievement. Yeah, they say that appreciate a small achievement. Later you don't appreciate a small achievement. Yeah. And I'm really humble for my fans. They have been supportive. Yeah. So my small niece, this is my niece. Yeah. It's called, introduce her name. Unagopa? Yeah? Unagopa? Yeah? She's shy, guys, yeah? So the bucket is here, you see? Amesh. That's how we harvest it. Yeah, come along with me. Come here. Let me show you guys. They have really laid down. Just all of these are finger mirrored. You can have a look of it. All of these are finger mirrored. They have laid down because of the. You see, all of up to at the end there is finger mirror. You can see it clearly because of the sunny reflection of the sun. Yeah, this one are free range chicken I was telling you, and they have their young ones. They're just looking for food. And right here we have corns. You see, these are corn. In 1 week time they will be ready to harvest. And this Michelle. Hey Michelle, you're shining. You're glowing. You want to try to harvest?
Yes.
Let Michelle try to harvest, guys. You see, the good thing here at the village, children are being taught how to do work at early age when they are very young. Unaweza kuja tuchukue your time? At their very age, shika your time. Shika vizuri unatuonesha. Yeah. That's good. Huh? Oh. Uinue kabisa tunaona. Yeah, that's the good thing about here in village. Children are taught how to do job at their very young age, guys. Other than city children. That's why I love when you just keep growing. You know how to do work. You are not lazy. Yeah. Like Michelle is young, but she know how to do job. Yeah. You see, Michelle. Yeah. You are going to school on which day?
4th.
Date 4th?
Yes.
Oh, Interhead. Yeah, Michelle, they are soon opening school. She's going to on grade 5.
Yes.
Yeah, Michelle is going on grade 5. And she's a bright girl. I see her result. I really am impressed about her result. Yeah. Michelle, I know Michelle will be, Michelle, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Doctor.
You want to be a doctor?
Yes.
Michelle have a dream of becoming a doctor. Yeah. I know. You just keep working hard, my small sister, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you want to be?
Me? You don't know me what I'm studying now?
Yes.
I'm a doctor, Michelle.
Oh.
Yes. Michelle say she don't know who I am, guys. Every day when I ask her this question, she always ask me, Giracha, what do you want to do? Like, you know, Michelle is a small girl. It's only that she's growing very fast. She's growing very fast. Tunaonekana Nyangi? She's growing very fast, you see? And we're doing this job together with Michelle. I can see Ben is joining us. This is how kids guys are. Introduce your name before you enter the job.
Hey guys, I'm Ben. Today here with Ingiracha and Michelle. We have come to harvest the finger millet.
Special for?
Special for uji.
Uji in Swahili. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, uji is in Swahili, guys. In Polish is English.
Yeah.
Yeah, special for
Polish.
Yeah.
So nice.
Ben,
yeah.
You have left with how many days to school?
1 week. That is 7 days. Actually, 7 days to school. Even Ingiracha, I think, how many days? 6.
Yeah. Me, I'll be going on. I'll be traveling. I don't know when I'll be traveling, but we're supposed to report on the 7th, on the 8th in school.
We have just 7 days at home.
Yeah.
So we have to help our parents this job so that when we are in school, they can finish whatever we give them, we left them. Yeah, actually, guys, you know, here in the village, you must work to get something like porridge, finger millet porridge.
And they are very sweet, guys.
And this is plant this finger millet. If you can remember, before I joined Form 1, Mara came here while I was carrying a sack of finger millet.
Yes, I remember. Yeah, you guys, if you can remember, we usually plant this. My father was harvesting, Mara was looking for Ben, and Ben was carrying a very, it was on not this press but down there, was carrying a very big sack of finger millet. Yeah, these are normal, yeah. And we love this porridge. They are nice. Yeah guys, that's how we do it. Enjoy the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. You know, every day we receive many guests in our channel, so that's how we introduce our name. My name is Ngiracha, guys, for new people here. I'm a Kenyan content creator. These are my siblings. I'm the old one, and the small one, rich one. Make sure you subscribe to this channel as we continue harvesting our finger millet. You see the way we have reached. Yeah, yeah. Make sure you subscribe. Enjoy the video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. This special video for you guys before we enter the new year. You know, some of people are saying, like now it's new year. No work. We just wait for new year. But for us here, we must do job. yeah, tomorrow is on Sunday. We'll go to church. After church, then we wait for on Monday, which is New Year. We celebrate together, guys. Yeah. Happy New Year in advance for
But
those who
these finger millet they have fallen down.
Yeah, they are
I think
fallen.
they
Wind because of wind and rain. Yeah, strong wind and rain has made them to fall down.
when they are down, they are hard to harvest.
Yeah, guys, when they are down, they are very hard to harvest. You must lean. But when they are standing, very easy. You just been walking and harvesting the finger millet. Yeah. But I hope you're enjoying the video. Don't skip the ads, guys. Give a video a like, leave a sweet comment. Let's show positive vibes. Let's show love. Love is free, guys. And let's be positive always. Let's be positive always. Yeah. And let's show love to each other. I hope you are enjoying this process, guys. Maybe many people of you have never seen this, but yeah, actually, Marwa's place is just there. Marwa's parent place is just there. Yeah, we are neighbors. We are neighbors. Yeah, keep enjoying the video. Keep enjoying. Usimame hapo. We rudi kwa mama. Rudi kwa goko. Rudi kwa goko.
Eva, toka hapo mama. Toka utalibu. Utarudi.
Nitakuita.
Amu uende kukaa huko. Ana, wewe usimame hapo, umesikia?
So guys, continue watching the video till the end. Don't skip even one ad.
Exactly, guys. Don't skip the ad. Tasaru. Daburu kyoko nani hora to hatu.
Baki hapo basi, usimame hapo.
Yeah, this ngiracha. You see? They're still harvesting.
I'm tired.
You are tired?
Yes.
Why are you tired? You see, this is the one we have harvested already. And we have bear.
Yeah.
You see, guys, we're enjoying village life. Village life. And it's very early in the morning. You can see the sun, the reflection of the sun. Just see it. Very early in the morning. Yeah. Shika sasu endelee kuturekod. Nataka 2 minutes ngapi? Tano. Kuja tuona yini niacha. Acha kushona yini. Kuja tutoe hii hapa. Enjoy the video. Make sure you like the video. Yeah, the job is interesting, guys. If you are used to it, but if you are not used to it, if you are not used to it, it's very hard. And because we are being taught how to do work at the small edge. We just see this one as normal. Right, Ben?
Yeah, actually.
And you can see that the small Michelle know how to do it.
Weka hapo, siweka hapo chini. Weka hapo chini ubebe hizi mito.
Udume na? Kita begi. Kacui mukike nani ngoso. Ngoso.
Bashikilia lete.
Acha kupea huyu mtoto ana shida. Oh, taburu kamera.
Guys, you can see we cut until the hand is handful. Then we come and take it inside the bucket.
Show them, Michelle.
Siga. Mishi, sasa unaenda kando uonekane.
Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. You must look down to make sure that we don't left anything behind, right?
Yeah, okay.
Because it's precious. It's value. It's what. Yeah, we must make sure nothing is left behind. You must look for everything. Maybe you guys are seeing like these are grasses, but you see what was moving inside this one. And the bucket is almost full. Yeah. This is it. The bucket is almost full. Michelle there, Ben, and we have a free-range chicken looking for food. You see the small one? Yeah, looking for food. Yeah. Chicken small one. Chicks. You see the chicks? Free-range chicken, very sweet. Yeah, guys. So, guys, we come at the end of the video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Give a video a like. Ensure you like. Yeah, Ben.
Yeah. Give yourself a shout. Guys, go by the name Giracha. Subscribe to his channel. Comment. Share the video.
Yeah.
And watch until the end.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how I can.
You can't see Ben well because of reflection of light, but here he's doing amazing work. Continue, Ben. And Michelle here doing amazing work. Yeah. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
You love them?
Yes, I love them.
You see. And this my small niece. This called Nyangi. She was the camera woman. You see, even this small one, this my small niece, she's really doing this job. Just sitting there and doing a small job. Yeah, so guys, bye bye. See you in the next video. Enjoy the video till then. Make sure you subscribe, enjoy, share, comment, like, everything what's supposed to be done. Bye bye.